Hi all, in this short video I would like to show you how you can work more efficiently with the speech recognition function of Windows 11. It's quite simple. You only have to press the Windows key and the H key simultaneously on your keyboard. Then you will get a window like this with this microphone recorder symbol, and here you can read to use voice typing, select a text box, then try again. So we got it. You have to select a text box. In my case I'm using it for ChatGPT, but you could also use it for Word or something else. And now I'm using it for ChatGPT. Then you select this and then you press this button and then you start talking, and you can already see that the text is written here into this text box. And normally you could ask a question like, hey, please help me to write a video transcript for an YouTube video tutorial, and so on and so on. So you can see it's really fast. Sometimes there are little errors, but in most cases it's perfect and it's fast and more efficient, and I'm using it for all my ChatGPT questions, and it makes working so much easier. Normally this should work if you have Windows 11 installed. If it's not working, you can try this. On the right bottom you see an icon like this. That's the language icon for your keyboard settings. In my case I have 3 different settings: the English for United States, the German for Austria, the German for Germany. This is important for the speech recognition of Windows 11. So if your language is not here listed, click on More Keyboard Settings. Then this window is opened, and then here you can add a language. You can see a lot of different languages, and if you select one of the languages, then you have to install different packages. This will take a little bit of time, but then this should also work with your chosen language. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you're interested in more tips and tricks, please feel free to subscribe. Thank you and have a nice day.